Hello everyone. My name is Abhishek Kadam and today I am going to giving presentation on minimum cost spanning trees by Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm is a famous greedy algorithm. It is used for finding the minimum spanning tree MST of a given graph. To apply Prim's algorithm, the given graph must be weighted, connected and undirected. Implementation of Prim's algorithm. Following are the steps of implementation of Prim's algorithm. Step 1. Randomly choose any vertex from the graph. The vertex connecting to the edge having least weight is usually selected. Second step. Find all the edges that connected the tree to new vertices. Find the least weight edge among those edges and include it in the existing tree. If including that edge creates a cycle, then reject that edge and look for the next least weight edge. Step number 3. Keep repeating step 2 until all the vertices are included and minimum spanning tree MST is obtained. Time complexity. Worst kind of Prim's algorithm. Worst case time complexity of Prim's algorithm is 0 E log V using binary heap and 0 E V log V using Fibonacci heap. Time complexity analysis. If adjacency list is used to represent the graph, then using breadth first search all the vertices can be traversed in 0 V plus E time. We traverse all the vertices of graph using breadth first search and use a minimum heap for storing the vertices not yet included in the MST. To get the minimum weight edge, we use minimum heap as a priority key. Minimum heap operations like extracting minimum element and decreasing key value takes 0 log V time. So overall time complexity is equal to 0 E plus V into log V. 0 E plus V log V, 0 E log V. This time complexity can be improved and reduced to 0 E plus V log V using Fibonacci heap. Following is the problem for Prim's algorithm. Construct the minimum spanning tree for the given graph using Prim's algorithm. So this is weighted graph. As we have discussed the steps, take the minimum heap. This is second step, another vertex. This is third, fourth. Repeat those steps. Loops cannot be formed since all the vertices have been included in the MST. So we stop. Now cost of minimum spanning tree equal to sum of all edge weights. 10 plus 25 plus 22 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 is equal to 99 units. This is minimum spanning tree cost by Prim's algorithm. Thank you.